You know, one question you might have is, well, I can understand that attorneys cost a lot of money. It costs a lot of money to do one of these cases. How on earth am I going to pay for all that? And so I wanted to explain to you a little bit about how that all works. When I worked at Latham & Watkins, which was a big law firm in Los Angeles, companies would pay attorneys upwards of $1,000 an hour to work on their cases. And there'd be tons of lawyers working on every one of those cases. And so you say to yourself, well, you know, I certainly can't afford that kind of money. I know the people I grew up with and my family certainly couldn't afford to pay that kind of money. I couldn't afford to pay that kind of money to a lawyer. And so what we do is offer a contingency fee. And basically what that means is that you, if you bring a case to us, pay nothing at all unless and until we win or settle your case. In other words, until we get you money. And really that's, they call that the keys to the courthouse for most of us Americans. Basically, most of us just can't afford to hire a lawyer, and thankfully we have the contingency fee arrangement here in California. You might say, well, there's going to be costs involved in my case. If you have a products liability case, for example, the cost could be hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so what we do, if you're in a position you can't afford to pay those costs, is that we, as a law firm, will advance those costs. We pay the experts, we pay the court fees, we pay the videographers and the investigators and everyone else on your behalf. If we don't win the case or get you a good verdict, then you're not on the hook. We don't come after you to get repaid. It's out of our pocket. And so we advance the cost, we advance the fees, and really that's the only way that most of us can obtain justice, and we make that possible for you. And so if you ask yourself, well, how can I pay? That's how you can pay. We take the risk because in doing so, it incentivizes us. We want to be on the same side as you. If you win, we win. And if we win, you win. And we really think that makes us work harder and better for you.